If you own a photovoltaic system, it might be losing efficiency right now without you even knowing it. Dust, microcracks, or a falling bypass diodes can steal your power and worse, turn into a fire hazard. Today, we are taking the thermal imaging camera to scan my solar array. I will show exactly what to look for, how to hotspot defects, and how to read thermal anomalies before they cost you serious money. Let's dive in. So this is my photovoltaic system. This is my Huawei inverter. It's a 12 kilowatt power. As you see, we check temperature of the inverter and we saw is under 30 degrees Celsius in all the areas. Here I check also the connections, the solar connection, the smart meter, the dongle. That one is my DC cabinet. It's a small one. I have two strings of panels. And as you see is under 26 Celsius degrees. Everything is fine here. I check also the wires. And now let's check the AC cabinet. That is the main fuse, 26 degrees. And here we saw a hotspot at 42 degrees at my contactor. It's normal to be at 40-45 degrees. Up we have the AC fuses for consumers. And now I check the smart meter. It's little hot but is under 30 degrees. The fuse of inverter and the smart meter, as you see, is under 30 degrees. So seems to be normal. Just the contactor is around 40 degrees, but is normal because have a coil. Scanning your PV system once or twice on a year with a thermal camera is one of the easiest way to ensure you are getting maximum return of investment from your solar investment and keep your home safe. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, give me a like button and maybe a comment. Thank you. See you next time.